How do I find an open circuit using the FLUKE 2AC pocket volt detector? There are several tests you can make. Your first one will be to grab your conductors. You can automatically determine which is your hot and which is your neutral. You see, when you do have power flowing, you do have your red indicator light. You can do the same test with a power strip. Again, place the 2AC into the hot side and then place it into the neutral. Another method you can employ is a 3-point test. So I'm going to check this additional power strip and see I'm seeing no power anywhere in the hot, neutral, or ground. I go back and check it against a known good circuit, see that I do have power. I can now make the determination that I have lost power in my subsequent power strip. Now when I do have power and I break the circuit, thereby indicating an open circuit, how can I be sure that I do not have power and it's not the battery in the volt detector itself? We've incorporated a battery test feature. By simply pressing this button, you get an indicator showing you that you do have good battery power, indicated by the red light on the front of the 2AC. And this way you know that you do not have power in your power strip at this point and your 2AC is working just fine.